Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss reptiles general characters. Up to now, in the last two videos, we discussed about the fishes and the amphibian general characters. Now we will discuss the reptiles general characters. See here the amphibians and the fishes. For example, you take fishes exhibit aquatic mode of life, amphibians exhibit dual mode of life, and the reptiles which are terrestrial, that is on the land. They're the successful animals on the land, first successful animals on the land. So Mesozoic era is the golden age of reptiles. Which era? Mesozoic era is the golden age of reptiles. They have the cladoic eggs, megalithical eggs, and the first amniotes. They constitute the extra embryonic membranes. They are the amnion, chorion, allantois, yolk sac are present in these animals, hence they are called amniotes, first terrestrial animals which are leading the which they were led the life successfully on the land. The first animals, that is the terrestrial animals, and the Mesozoic era is the golden age of reptiles. So now we will discuss here the reptiles ki example మీ అందరికి తెలిసే ఉంటుంది, lizards, snakes, crocodiles. These are all the examples for the reptiles. Terrestrial, they are creeping or burrowing animals. Creeping అంటే మీ అందరికి తెలిసినటువంటిది. Creep అంటే lizard, say best creeping, and the burrowing is nothing but snake which live in the burrows. And the tetrapods, they have four limbs and the hind limbs. Body is divisible into head, trunk and tail. Skin is dry with a exoskeleton is made with a scales, horny epidermal scales are present. It is rough somewhat. If you touch the snake or the any animal, that's a lizard or the calotis, thondaningan then touches, if you touch it appears somewhat rough. Shields, claws are present. Acrodon teeth, homodon teeth, polyphyodon teeth. ఇప్పటి వరకు చదివినటువంటి ఫిషెస్, amphibians, reptiles, సేమ్ టీత్, acrodont, homodont, polyphyodont. Acrodont, there are no alveoli, they are attached to the jaw bone. Homodont, similar. Polyphyodont, in their lifetime they lose the teeth and again the teeth many times, that is called the polyphyodont. Monocondylic skull, that is the, see here the two occipital condyles, if there is a two occipital condyles, that is the dicondylic skull. Here the malli again monocondylic skull in the reptiles, monocondylic in the fishes, and the amphibians dicondylic and the monocondylic skull. So that is the two occipital condyles present in the dicondylic, only one occipital condyle. Temporal fossae, this is the new term which has appeared. Temporal fossae are nothing but the, see here మనకి ఇక్కడైతే ఈ temporal side, that is nothing but the temple అని అంటారు వీటిని. So temporal fossae is located here. It is useful for the jaw muscles which protrude into the skull through the temporal fossae. Jaw muscles వెళ్ళడానికి ఈ temporal muscle అనేటటువంటిది, temporal fossae అనేటటువంటిది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. Lungs or the respiratory organs, and the intercostal muscles. In between the ribs there are the muscles are present. That muscles are called intercostal muscles. In mammals also same muscles are present. Intercostal muscles, external intercostal muscles and internal intercostal muscles are present in the human beings. Like that, the intercostal muscles are nothing but the, in between the ribs there are the muscles. They are called intercostal muscles. Turtles exhibit the cloacal respiration. Cloaca, which is useful for the respiration in the turtles, very important. That is heart. Three-chambered heart is present in the amphibians, two-chambered heart in fishes. Here the undivided ventricle, that is the, see, incompletely divided ventricle is present in the this reptiles, incompletely divided. And the aortic arches are three aortic arches. Sinus venosus is present, and the conus arteriosus is absent. Conus arteriosus is present in the amphibians. Conus arteriosus is present in fish amphibians. Conus arteriosus is absent in reptiles. Say which nephric kidneys? Metanephric kidneys. Kidneys are metanephric kidneys. And the tympanic membrane is present. Very, very important. That is the Jacobson's organs are present in the lizard. They are useful for the olfaction. That is olfactory organs. That is nothing smell. It can smell. Jacobson's organs are olfactory organs which are present in the lizards. And the middle ear with the ear ossicles. So the animals excrete uric acid, hence they are called uricotelic animals. Uric acid is released by the excreted by the, so these reptiles, hence they are called the uricotelic animals. To conserve water, they excrete uric acid. And the cranial nerves are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. How many pairs of cranial nerves? 12 pairs. Except in the snakes. Snakes constitute 10 pairs of cranial nerves. So copulatory organ is present in the males and the hemipenis is present in lizards. Hemipenis. So cloaca is 3-chambered, that is the caprodium, urodium and proctodium. Cup, C-U-P. Caprodium, urodium, proctodium. Oviparous, eggs, they release eggs. Manam snakes చూస్తే ఎగ్స్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తాయి. లిజర్డ్ ఎగ్స్. ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు ఒకవేళ మీ ఇంట్లో కనుక ఎక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే, ఒకవేళ మీరు పల్లెటూరు విలేజ్ పీపుల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా లిజర్డ్ ఎగ్స్, స్నేక్ ఎగ్స్ చూస్తూనే ఉంటాము, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓవిపారస్. అండ్ ఫర్టిలైజేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఫర్టిలైజేషన్ and the eggs are cladoic eggs, megalecythal eggs, cladoic eggs, megalecythal eggs, discoid cleavage, and they constitute the 4 extra embryonic membranes. They are called amniotes. So you can see the diagrams definitely on the board. So every point, so there will be the images which appear on the board. So they are the different structures. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సింది, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి మీరు బాగా గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సింది టెంపోరల్ ఫోసే. టెంపోరల్ ఫోసే ఈజ్ present in the reptiles. The temporal fossa which is useful for the jaw muscles which protrude into the skull by the temporal fossa. సో అప్పర్ సైడ్కి వెళ్ళడానికి జా మజిల్స్ అనేటటువంటివి టెంపోరల్ ఫోసే యూజ్ అవుతుంది. Heart, how many chambered heart? Sinus venosus is present and the conus arteriosus is absent. Very, very important this bit. And the Jacobson's organs, 2 marks. 2 marks kendi Jacobson's organ. Jacobson's organ, it is an olfactory structure which is useful for olfaction is nothing but smell. So cranial nerves, how many pairs? 12 pairs, as actually 10 pairs in the snakes. సో లైక్ దట్ ఇక్కడ కాప్రోడియం, యూరోడియం, ప్రాక్టోడియం అని చెప్పాను. సో యూరోడియం అంటే యూరినోజెనైటల్ సిస్టమ్, అట్లా లైక్ దట్ ఒక్కొక్క సిస్టమ్ ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దీనిలో కాప్రోడియం. కప్, సియూపి, కప్, కాప్రోడియం, యూరోడియం, ప్రాక్టోడియం, అది మాత్రం గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. ఏంటది? కప్, సియూపి, కప్. ఓవిపారస్, ఎగ్స్, క్లెడాయిక్, మెగాలెసిథల్. మెగాలెసిథల్ అంటే ఎక్కువ యోక్ ఉంటుంది. మనం ఎగ్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే దానిలో మెగాలెసిథల్ ఎగ్. అదేవిధంగా సో ఇది ఎక్కువ యోక్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మెగాలెసిథల్ అంటారు, మెగాలెసిథల్. సో ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ద రెప్టైల్స్ జనరల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. ఏమైనా పాయింట్స్ మీకు ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయకుండా వదిలేసినటువంటివి కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వాటిని మీరు డౌట్స్గా అడగాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నా, కానీ మీరు అడుగుతారో లేదో చూస్తాను. ఓకే మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐఎమ్ సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్.